Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So in the Windows search bar right here, you need to type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Then here in the administrator command prompt block window, you need to type in here first sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now, which stands for the system file checker scan. Now hit the enter key on your keyboard. So what this will do is that this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once the process has been 100% completed, then you just need to simply close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here in the block window, you need to type this command. DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image, and while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window because that will interrupt or close the whole process. And here's a tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, you can just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you for the process to continue. And once this is done, just simply close out of here. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, you have to click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you'll find the recovery option. Click on Reset PC. But here is an important thing that you need to remember. Make sure to back up everything on your Windows. Make sure to back up all your personal files, apps, and settings. And once that is done, just simply click on Remove Everything. And here you have to simply click on cloud download. So after you have backed up everything, you need to click on cloud download. And here's the thing, after you have backed up everything, you need to make sure of that. Then this will reset your PC, and after that, you need to sign in again into your account, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.